We're going to show you how to replace the glass in our Fast Track window system. The first step is to cut the silicone. Use a utility knife or a glass scraper to carefully cut through the silicone around the edges of the glass. Take your time to avoid damaging the frame or the glass itself. Carefully score the silicone sealant all around the glass. Ensure the cut is deep enough to fully separate the silicone, but not too deep that you will risk damaging the frame. To remove the trim, begin with the side pieces. Gently push in the piece and pry it off using a flathead screwdriver. Work from one side to the other to avoid bending the trim. Now that the silicone is cut and the trim is removed, you're ready to take out the old glass. Be sure to have a helper or proper equipment if the glass is heavy. Carefully grip the glass by its edges, making sure it's securely held. Lift the glass carefully out of the frame, supporting it evenly to prevent it from breaking. If the glass is stuck, gently use a glass scraper to loosen it. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure on the glass. Before installing the new glass, you need to thoroughly clean the frame and the surrounding area. Wipe down the area where the glass will sit, ensuring there is no debris or leftover sealant. Use a silicone remover to scrub any remnants of old sealant from the frame, or use a plastic scraper if necessary. You want to ensure a clean, smooth surface for the new silicone. Make sure the frame is dry before proceeding. Now it's time to put in the new glass. Be sure to handle it carefully as it can be fragile. Set the glass into the frame gently, ensuring that it is centered and aligned properly with the edges. Next, we'll attach the trim to secure the glass in place. Carefully align the trim along the perimeter of the glass in the frame, ensuring it fits snugly. Prep the window by applying tape and leaving a gap for the window sealant. Now that the tape is in place, it's time to finish up by applying a new layer of sealant. Use your finger or a smoothing tool to evenly smooth out the sealant and ensure no excess. This will give the finish a clean, professional look. Once the sealant is smoothed and the trim is securely in place, give everything a final inspection. Carefully wipe away any excess sealant from the glass and frame using a clean cloth. One more final inspection and the replacement is complete. Allow the sealant to fully cure before handling the glass to ensure a secure, long-lasting bond. You've successfully installed the new glass, secured the trim, and sealed everything with fresh sealant. Make sure to follow any manufacturer instructions on curing times for the sealant, and your new replacement window should be as good as new.